Wiki hii unitembelee na ukuja na senator. Mimi nasikia kuna senator hapa. Ukuja na senator ndio nipange hiyo kazi, na hiyo ingine umesema nimekusikia. Na nimekuelewa pia. So nitapanga hiyo kazi. Niko na kalamu inaweza kufanya hiyo kazi. So nitapanga hapo, na kuna mambo mengine tutakuja tuongee vile tutaweza kusonga mbele pamoja na waumini wa kanisa hii na viongozi wengine na pia mji wetu wa Nairobi. So kwenu ninyi nyote nataka niseme asante sana. Mjumbe wenu amelieleza mambo ya Kamae. I made a commitment. Naona kuna watu wa Kamae hapa ama namna gani? Watu wa Kamae hapo. Tumepanga mambo yenu na tumehakikisha ya kwamba wale squatters ambao wako na magari kubwa kubwa tumewaondoa, ndio wale si ndio? Unajua hii nchi iko na maneno mingi. Nakuta mtu anasema yeye ni squatter na ako na V8. Sasa unamuuliza, wewe ni squatter? Sasa wewe ni squatter wa aina gani wewe? So tumemwambia hapana, si ndio? Squatter tunajua ni squatter ni kina nani. So nyorosha hiyo list, na nimemwambia mjumbe wenu how we are going to work on it. Tukimaliza hiyo kazi tutawapatia titles zenu na tutapanga hiyo dunia iende sawa sawa. Na zile kazi zingine zote mimi nitarudi hapa tena na tena na tena mpaka tuhakikishe Kenya inasonga mbele. So ndugu watu wa hapa Kahawa West na watu wa Roysambu na watu wa Kanairo, asanteni sana. Mimi nawapenda sana, nawatakia heri, nawatakia baraka ya Mungu, na muendelee kutuombea na kuombea taifa letu la Kenya. Mwathani amurathime.
Kama kwamba kuja hapa ndio tufanye kitu ya mwisho, watu wamekaa chini ndio tupate blessings. Appreciate Karango.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Bishop Dr. JJ Gitahi and your wife, members of Parliament present here, members of the County Assembly, distinguished guests, and all worshippers. Habari zenu. Your Excellency, mine is very simple because I know you have a busy program, and I'd like to first of all welcome you to this church in Kahawa West that is led by my good friend and brother, Dr. JJ. And I'd like also at the same time also convey the apologies of His Excellency Governor Sakaja, who is in another service that we are holding for the county staff, the annual service that we are holding at KICC. And assure you that, Your Excellency, we are behind you in terms of the programs that you are running across the country, and there are many, including here in Nairobi. The biggest one right now that is affecting us is the flooding that is going on, but in Nairobi we have been able to clean up a lot of the ducts and storm drains and all that, and we haven't had too much of a hassle, but still we are continuing to work on that. And we believe that the programs you have put in place will work and are working for this country. And I know in the fullness of time, everybody will be able to see the results of sustainable development programs that have been espoused by His Excellency the President. I think it is also worthwhile for me to note the support you've given us in Nairobi, in particular around the markets. And I know, Your Excellency, when we were campaigning, you charged us with the responsibility of making sure that we do markets in this place. And one of the places we are building a market is actually here in Kahawa West. We are putting up a market. and I know the MCA would confirm that. We are in the final stages of getting that done. And we have other places we are working on this program, the county government alongside the national government as well. So that is just a simple manifestation of the kind of sustained development programs that we are putting. When we put in these markets, we take out traders out of the roads, out of the streets, and therefore they can work in dignity, they can work in places that they are able to deliver for themselves and for ourselves across the country. Nikimalizia, Your Excellency, I just want to comment about Bishop Dr. JJ. He's my good friend, and he's a brilliant son of this country, and I have seen him, and he's actually a manifestation of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. This is a man of many skills and many talents, and what I heard him say, and he hadn't told me, he's more than capable of doing those things. So I would urge that if you can look up. This church here is where all the Kikuyu singers and artists worship. This is their home, this is their base, and from here they sprout out. So he creates them, he is able to allow people to flourish, to develop, and to grow from his base. So he has many talents and many skills, and I'm always happy to be back here. His preaching is inspirational, and of course, like you heard, he's from a county where you found me when tulikuwa tunahangaika tukitafuta huko. Kuna watu wengi wazuri sana huko kama huyu. So I urge you to look at him kindly. And with those few remarks, allow me now to ask all of you to stand so that we welcome His Excellency, the